Dans la leçon ça, moi fais une liste de phrases que nous connaissons nous-mêmes haïtiens, nous utilisons chaque jour en créole, mais malheureusement, nous posé tête nos questions qui j'ai pour me dire en anglais. So, 10 Creole sentences difficult to translate into English. 10 phrases créoles qui vraiment paraissent difficiles pour un pile monde traduire en anglais. Without further ado, let's get started. Sans perdre du temps, nous commencer. Première phrase là, the first sentence is ou femme saisi. Haitian like saying that. Ou femme saisi, oui, petit. Okay. Ou femme saisi, oui. So in English, you can say, you surprised me.
You surprised me.
You surprised me. You surprised me. Oh, you surprised me. Ou femme saisi, oui, petit. You surprised me. Ou femme saisi. Ou femme saisi, oui, petit. That's Haitian style. Femme saisi, oui, petite, especially the women. Mesdames, yo aime parler comme ça. Femme saisi, oui, petite. Good. Another way you can say, ou femme saisi, you can say, you startled me.
You startled me.
Startled, startled me. You surprised me or you startled me. Ou femme saisi. Okay, good. You startled me or you surprised me. Repeat after me. Let's go together. Ou femme saisi. You surprised me or you startled me. Say you n'lade op utiliser. You're gonna use one of them. Either you surprised me or you startled me. Good. Let's see the second sentence. Ça ban mwen yon frisson. Okay. But instead of saying mwen, I use the short form of mwen, which is Let me show you mwen. This is mwen, and the short form of mwen is in Haitian Creole. You say ça ban mwen yon frisson, you just say ça ban yon frisson. Like I am. Good. You say that in English, that gave me chills.
That gave me chills.
That gave me chills. Word by word, that gave me, and then chills. That gave me chills. Ça bam frisson. Or you can say, that gave me goosebumps.
It gave me goosebumps.
That gave me goosebumps. Ça bam chair de poule. If you don't want to say ça bam frisson, you can say chair de poule. Chair de poule. Chicken. Chair de poule. You say, that gave me goosebumps. You can say, ça bam frisson, that gave me chills, or that gave me goosebumps. Interesting. Let's go now to the third sentence. M'bouke tan de histoire sa. Mwen bouke tan de même histoire. Let me say it again. M'bouke tan de même histoire. You say that in English, I'm tired of hearing the same story.
I'm tired of hearing the same story.
I'm tired of hearing the same story. Oh, I'm tired of hearing the same story. M'bouke tan de même histoire sa. Oh, I'm tired of listening to the same story. Or I'm tired of hearing the same story. M'bouke tan de même histoire. Now, let's go to number 4. Ou fait mwot. Ou fait mwot. When somebody says, oh, ou fait mwot petite. Ou fait mwen want, ou fait mwot. You just say that. You embarrassed me.
You embarrassed me.
You embarrassed me. Embarrassed. You embarrassed me. Or you say, you put me to shame.
You put me to shame.
You put me to shame. You embarrassed me. You put me to shame. Oh, you embarrassed me. You fait mwot. You fait mwot, Daniel. You fait mwot. You embarrassed me. Okay. Somebody that causes something. Okay, ou fait mwot. You embarrassed me. You put me into shame. You put me into shame. Number 5. Mwen perdi tête mwen. Mwen perdi tête mwen. In English, you say that I lost control. I lost control.
I lost control.
I lost control. I lost control. Control. You know, I lost control, Daniel. I lost control. Or you say, I lost my mind.
I lost my mind.
I lost my mind. You know, oh, I lost my mind. I lost my mind. Oh, I lost my mind for a moment. Oh, I lost my mind for a moment. Okay, I lost control. Good. And let's continue. Ou bam ke sote. If you don't want to say ou ban mwen ke sote, you can say ou ban mwen ke kase. Okay, like ke sote, ke kase, the same thing. You just say that you scared me.
You scared me.
You scared me. You scared me. You scared me. Ou fè m'peur. It's like somebody wants to say something or bad news, something like that, and say, oh, you scared me. The way you see the face of the person, you say, oh, you look terrible. What's wrong? Or you say, you made me anxious. You made me anxious. You made me anxious, or you scared me. Number 7, mwen gen yon pressentiment. You feel something. Mwen gen yon pressentiment. A feeling. Good. You say that in English, I have a feeling.
I have a feeling.
I have a, instead of saying I have a feeling, no time, you just say I have a feeling. I have a feeling, or I have a gut feeling.
I have a gut feeling.
Ou ka di, I have a feeling, or I have a gut feeling, just to say, mwen gon pressentiment. Oh, mwen gon pressentiment. Especially the mothers. Maman ou toujou gen pressentiment. When their child is in danger, they feel something. Haitian mothers are like this. They usually say, I have a feeling, or I have a gut feeling in English, but in Creole they say, m'gon pressentiment. Oh, m'gon mauvais pressentiment. Good. And number 8, c'est sou m'te konte. Ah, c'est sou m'te konte, oui petit. C'est sou m'te konte. You say that in English, I was counting on you.
I was counting on you.
I was counting on you. I was counting on you. I was counting on you, Daniel. Oh, you were my hope. You were my only hope. I was counting on you. Ou te seul espoir, Daniel. C'était seul espoir, moi. M'te compté sou. What am I going to do, Daniel? Ça m'pral fè kounya, Daniel. C'est sou m'te compté, oui. You say, c'est sou m'te compté. I was counting on you. I was counting on you. Number 9. Mwen pa ka sipote ankor. I can't take this anymore.
I can't take this anymore.
When you want to stop something, you can't take this anymore. Especially in a relationship, when two people are living together and they are angry. You're fâché. They are angry. They say, I can't take this anymore. Pa ka sipote sa ankon. Sa m'pa pren nan mò. Aisyen di m'pa pren sa nan mò ankon. Ah, m'pa ka sipote sa ankon. M'pa pren sa nan mò. Okay, I can't take this anymore. Ou fè mwot an pil devan moun. Ou fè mwot an public. You say that in English? You really embarrassed me in front of people.
You guys really embarrassed me in front of people.
You really embarrassed me in front of people. You really embarrassed me in front of people, man. Ou fè mwot an pil devan moun we, man. You really embarrassed me in front of people. Why did you do that? You really embarrassed me in front of people. Why did you do that? Ki so te fèm za? Anyway, se sa yo ke mte pote pou nou, ba m fè rappel. Ou fèm sezi, you surprised me or you startled me. Sa ba m frisson. That gave me chills or that gave me goosebumps. Mbou ketan de mem histoire. I'm tired of hearing the same story. Ou fèm want, you embarrassed me or you put me to shame. Mwen perdi tèt mwen. I lost control or I lost my mind. Ou ba mke sote ou bien ou ba mke kase. You scared me or you made me anxious. Mwen gen yon pressentiment. I have a feeling or I have a gut feeling. Se sou mte konte. I was counting on you. Mwen pa ka sipote ankor. I can't take this anymore. Ou fè mwot an pil devan moun. You will embarrass me in front of people. C'est toute phrase ça que m'te pote pour nous, mais j'espère que est utile nous, est très utile. Parfois, elle est vraiment difficile pour nous traduire. Pas mal de nous pour nous partager vidéo ça, like et puis dis-moi dans commentaire qui phrase ont été plus remè. Mandez-moi phrase tout, m'a préparé une vidéo pour nous pour me aider nous. Parce que ça est vraiment important, oui. C'est ça qui fait me demander pour partager avec tous les amis pour apprendre tout. Nous pas m'se Daniel, nous croiser dans l'autre vidéo. Ciao.